Natalie, this is for you. So I drew the picture. The biggest teller was this right angle, meaning that my angle 1 and my angle 2 together should equal 90 degrees. Anytime you have a right angle like this, it's equivalent to 90 degrees. So we create an equation. We can say 5x plus our angle 2, which is x plus 12, is equal to 90 degrees. And why? Again, because of the right angle. That was like the hint. Okay, so now we just solved basic algebra. So we can add like terms here because they both have an x. 5x plus 1x, remember there's an invisible 1. It gives you 6x. I'm going to copy the rest of the equation down. It equals 90. We have 2 more steps until we can solve for x. We are going to subtract both sides by 12 so that we can get that 12 away, leaving us with 6x is equal to 9878 degrees. Okay, lastly, we need to divide both sides by 6 to get x by itself. So x is equal to 13 degrees. We're not done though, because they didn't ask us to solve for x. They asked us to solve for the angle measurements. Oh wait, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so they want us to find specifically what's the measure of angle 1. So if measure of angle 1 has the equation 5 times x, and we said that x is 13, then I'm going to plug in 13 into this x right here. So we're going to say 5 times 13 degrees. And that's going to give us 65. So the measure of angle 1 is 65 degrees. So measure of angle 2, so there are 2 ways you can solve that. Knowing that altogether these angles should equal 90, I can just subtract 65 from 90, and that will give me 6, 7, 8, 25 degrees. Or you can also plug in 13 into this equation, since that's what angle 2 is equal to, right? So if I put 13 degrees plus 12 degrees, that will also give me 25 degrees. So those are 2 ways to solve. And so this is your answer, Natalie, for your homework or test.